Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys lava mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show you guys lava mobile guys phone display setting. And today video title is guys how to use lava mobile screen timeout setting, how to change screen timeout, and how to increase screen timeout in lava mobile. One by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So once your device screen off automatic after 20 and 30 second, 15 second. So how to increase phone screen timeout. Open your phone setting. After phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your lava mobile. Friends, in your lava mobile, open your phone display setting. After turn on phone display setting friends, you can use light mode setting, dark mode setting friends. You can enable dark mode, you can use adaptive brightness setting, night light mode you want to on, so you can use night light mode and you can use it. So friends, open your phone screen timeout setting. After phone screen timeout setting friends, you can increase screen timeout in your lava mobile. So friends, I will increase here 2 minutes. So friends, you can check after 15 and 30 seconds my lava phone screen will not off automatic. After 2 minutes my phone screen will off automatic if I do not tap on my screen. And friends, again if you click here 30 second and 15 second screen timeout, so friends you can check after 15 seconds your lava phone screen will off automatic. Wait and watch. And when don't tap and don't touch on your screen after 15 seconds, your device screen will off automatic friends. You can check after 15 seconds screen will off. So like that friends, you have screen timeout problem, open your phone display setting, increase your phone screen timeout, your problem will solve. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.